Hello friends, welcome to GSS Information. Today, top trending topic TikTok. TikTok continues to dominate social media, with several notable trends reshaping how content is discovered and consumed. 1. TikTok SEO. This trend involves optimizing content to rank higher in TikTok's search results. As TikTok shifts towards integrating search functionality, creators and brands are leveraging SEO strategies to enhance visibility. This involves using relevant hashtags, keywords, and engaging content formats like short-form videos that cater to user intent and queries. Brands particularly are investing in TikTok SEO to reach younger, trend-driven audiences. 2. User-generated content, UGC. UGC is growing rapidly on TikTok, where creators produce organic content featuring brands, products, and trends. This type of content is typically more relatable and authentic, making it highly engaging for TikTok's audience. Brands are increasingly encouraging UGC to build community trust and improve engagement. 3. AI tools on TikTok. AI logo generators. These tools allow users to quickly create brand logos based on prompts, appealing to small businesses and creators who need professional design work without the high costs. AI tattoo generators, trending particularly among artists and enthusiasts. These AI tools generate custom tattoo designs, reflecting individual tastes and styles. These tools integrate directly with TikTok content, allowing users to showcase potential designs and get community feedback. AI note-taking tools. Tools like these help users convert TikTok content into organized notes, summaries, or actionable insights. These are popular among students and professionals who use TikTok for educational purposes. These trends highlight the increasing influence of AI and the evolving role of search within the TikTok ecosystem, making it a platform not just for entertainment, but for content discovery and productivity.